Hello, top people. Nivvi is back with her podcast. It seems so pointless how we keep on worrying about things frequently, even though we knew we are not going to get anything out of it, right? I just don't know about others, but I have this weakness of worrying about few things which I don't like to, but my mind keeps on reminding the stuff for which I'm worried about. Yet, I tell myself that, Nivvi, you are powerful. You are strong. You have the capabilities to face every situation with a smile. You have many people who are in need of you. Get up, Nivvi, get up. You should not be like this. You should always be excited for your life. You should never let the negative thoughts, worries, and sadness can make your day very sad. Yes, it might seem some simple thing for the world, but these words gives me the actual power to become stronger me every single day. I too don't know how to react for the situations, how to be with people, how to be controlled over things. Still, I'm learning and trying to be my best every single day, as my goal for lifetime is to provide value for the people. You believe it or not, I will sleep peacefully only when I feel like I have provided value to someone or myself for that day. That important it is for me to focus on my goal of providing value. It is one kind of happiness for me. I'm literally feeling worried from evening. I just don't know why. So I just have listened to one song. It is from Akasham Ni Haddura. I'm really grateful for that song, and also I'm grateful for Nikhilanna for introducing me this song, which has given me some positive vibes. I just got goosebumps while listening to some sentences, and I just wanted to sing here for all of you. You can even go and search the name with Akasham Ni Haddura name. You will get this song. So here it is. కన్ను చిన్నగున్నాదంటూ చిన్న కలలు కంటామా, లేనిపోని పేదరికంతో వాటిని గిరిగీస్తామా, మట్టిలోకి వెళ్ళిపోయామో మళ్ళీ పుట్టి వస్తామా, ఉన్నదొక్క జీవితమే ఊరికే వదిలేస్తామా. So, Top family, see how life changes for all of us. From knowing to growing, from being feared to being cleared, from knowing nothing to knowing everything. These all things are not that easy. Yet we all are being stable and facing it with a smile on our face. Emotional well-being is very important in one's life, and we all are doing it. Isn't it a good example to show how great you all are? How great we all are. So, top people, always be proud of what you are doing every single day. Not many have such a big and understanding heart like ours. Keep growing, keep shining, keep being who you are every single day. Keep inspiring everyone in this world. Let's not hope for the best, let us be the best. Thank you.